Okay, guys, so we're doing a bonfire right now. I'm gonna post it. Okay, guys, so the bonfire is really nice, actually.
Yeah.
My friend's doing one too. We did one at the same time, but
I'm doing it as well.
no, you're not. So, alright, guys, so
I'm making a
look at the bottom of that.
YouTube channel.
There's like loads literally going off right now. Smell that. XD! Okay, that was loud.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. Are you like that in your hand? You're crazy, Dad.
Okay, go to. We're going to here. Might be on here.
Is another one going off?
Is left? Oh,
Camera's up there, Lauren.
no, she looked for YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
YouTube.
I don't see an actual YouTube.
Oh. This one's a little bit boring. Oh God, maybe not.
What?
That deal with
Yeah.
Oh, I deleted YouTube.
Imagine
Imagine if I accidentally put that on.
No, don't put that on.
What? On the top, got too many kids to make seven.
I know a song. It's called Broken. It's really good.
You have to because you have too many kids to make
Here.
seven.
Pull my iPad real quick. Okay, guys, my friend's holding my iPad.
We're going all at the same time, guys. Guys, all at the same time.
It's my favorite song. Look at the fire. That's literally the bottom of it. I like the song better than
I want to put heavy on.
Oh, don't skip it.
it's going on YouTube, it's got its
I didn't video. That's fake.
They're mine.
See tomorrow.
You know what I'm going to do? Bobby safety
No.
firework. Never let a kid
Spotify.
Spotify.
Look at that. I need to edit this after though.
Everyone's gasoline on.
No, Corona. No, it isn't. Wow.
Then how come you said Corona?
Because I was mad then. I'm all joking, it is fake. YouTube's doing.
Yeah.
I don't have no matches. Play Barbie and what's happening. Well, no. Yeah, just watch some.
Oh, we're going at the same time.
2, 3, 4. How many? Like 5.
Disney daughters.
Whoa. Look at both the boys with lighters. Run! I stop acting like big boys.
Whoa! That was sick. I'm filming this.
Yeah, same. I've been filming for 3 minutes.
There's something else.